Oh, shit!
Hello and welcome to my channel Yalla Fun TV. How are you friends? I hope you all are fine. Wow. We are bringing so much interesting things today. We have big cars, we have 4x4 Jeep, we have this PJ mask, and we have military tank. Oh wow. That is so incredible thing that we have this military tank, we have guns, and we have lots of things. So first we will collect our beautiful 4x4 Jeeps. Here we go. Jeeps are ready. This one is mini sniper gun. And this one we have F-16 plane. Wow, that's a fighter plane. And that's our Avengers series character. And this is our construction machine. Wow, that's a road roller. And this one is our front loader, the big construction machine. And this one is hydraulic drill. Wow, that is so interesting. This one is PJ Masks, your favorite character, giraffe, the big animal. And this one is Hulk, the power machine. And this one is our police gun. Wow. And this one is our wild animal, and that one is Thor, and along with the hand grenade. And this one is our special big military tank. Wow, that is awesome. So all the things we are collected. Now let's rock and roll. Yalla guys, here we go. Let's start washing. Everything is set, and we will wash our big military tank first of all. You ready guys? Let's yalla guys. Let's wash him. And military tank is being washed in the water. Wow, the water is muddy and the water color is changed. That is so much fun. And our military tank is clean. Wow, look at this guys. Our military tank is neat and clean. Wow. It look impressive, awesome. And the next we will wash the police gun. Let's wash him. Let's yalla guys. And here we go. Wow, just look at this silver chrome plated beautiful police gun. Bang bang. Here we go. And the next one we have is horse, the beautiful farm animal. Wow, let's yalla guys. And here we go. Our horse is clean. Look at this beautiful horse. Wow.
And wash the tail at the same time.
Let's watch our next Avengers series character. And what is this? That's Iron Man. Wow, the powerful Iron Man, your favorite Avengers series character. That is awesome. And the next one we have is a sports bike. Let's yalla guys. And here we go. That's our sports bike. Wow. Enjoy the video guys. And the next one we have is Hulk, the power machine. Let's watch him. Let's yalla guys. Here we go. The Hulk is clean and green. Wow, that is awesome. And the next one is PJ Mask, your favorite character. Guys, let's watch him. Let's yalla guys. And here we go. PJ mask is clean. Wow, that is cool. Awesome, guys. Let's keep him here. And the next one we have is giraffe, the big wild animal, the tallest animal on the planet. Giraffe, wow, it's clean. Impressive, guys.
That's a pretty good one there.
And the next one we have is, wow, the big construction machine. Let's yalla yalla yalla, guys. Here we go. Our big construction machine is clean. Wow, that is so much impressive and awesome.
ਸ਼ੌਂਕ ਰੱਖਦਾ ਦੂਰੀ ਫੁੱਟ ਦੀ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਐ ਮੰਡੀਰ ਖੜਦੀ ਟੱਬ ਵਿੱਚ ਭਰ ਕੇ ਗਲਾਉਕ ਰੱਖਦਾ ਟਿੱਕੀ ਟਿੱਕੀ ਪੂਰੀ ਠੋਕ ਠੋਕ
The next one we have is hydraulic drill machine. Wow, let's yalla yalla yalla, guys, and here we go. The big construction machine, hydraulic drill, is clean. That is impressive. Wow, guys, let's keep him here.
The force of the hydraulics sends hundreds of pounds of power slamming right into the ground.
Let's watch this new Jeep of 4x4. Let's watch him. Let's yalla yalla yalla, guys. That is 4x4 Jeep, and awesome one. Let's watch him, and here we go. Wow, just look at this 4x4 awesome machine. My favorite Jeep. Wow, here we go.
Tómame la mano que tú eres cosa buena. Esta noche quiero bailar sobre la arena. No sé una ajena.
And the next one we have is F-16 plane. Wow, guys, let's watch him. Let's yalla yalla yalla, guys. Here we go. We have F-16 plane, neat and clean. Wow, that is cool. Awesome, guys. Let's check out the next one, and the next one we have is mini sniper gun. Wow, guys, let's watch him. Let's yalla yalla yalla, guys, and here we go. Our mini sniper gun is clean. Wow, guys, bang bang bang. That is awesome.
Pistol, for anybody that may not know, is it doesn't use ammo. In Borderlands 1, you always had to.
And the next one we have is a road roller, another big construction machine. Let's watch him. Let's yalla yalla yalla, guys, and here we go. Just look at this beautifully designed construction machine, road roller. Wow, guys. And the next one we have is Ant-Man. Let's watch him. Let's yalla yalla yalla, guys. This is a character from the Avengers series. Wow, Ant-Man. Just look at him. Beautifully designed. From Avengers Endgame. And the next one we have is a front loader, another big construction machine. Let's yalla yalla yalla, guys. And here we go. Front loader, the big construction machine is clean. Wow, impressive and awesome, guys. I really love to play this game. I hope you too. That's Ankylosaurus, a dinosaur from Jurassic Park. Here we go, Ankylosaurus.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Let's check out the next one, and the next one we have is again a 4x4 Jeep. Let's watch him. Let's yalla guys. This awesome Jeep is being washed, and here we go. The big 4x4 awesome Jeep is clean. The door is open, the back deck is open. Wow, that's a beautiful plastic toy, guys. So we have cleaned all the things and our basket is empty and water is full dirty. So I really love to making this video. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.